So I thought I'd do a video about painting multiple colors and how to meet them. And so kind of what we've learned over the few years is you have to plan ahead. So you want to put the colors on in an order that you can then come up and get a pretty straight line. So notice how Amy's going over the edge. So this will be our edge, but she's painting over it. And just like we did here, we painted over. So then when we do this, we can get a straighter edge there. Just like we did on the white here, overlap. This is all overlap. So that way our color joints are all well protected. Same way with here. And up here, see how we have overlap there? This is another example. So we're doing, these are going to be one color here and another color here. So we're doing this color first, right up the edge and over, so that when we do this, we can come down to it. And you can see right here. And for these little guys, what I found easiest is if this is going to all be white, or whatever color it is, probably white, we're going to paint all of this, every bit of this, get in those cracks really good. And then later on, you come back with a small brush and you do your accent colors, wherever you're going to do. You just do those accent colors. And that way you're not worried about these little joints and you're trying to jam your brush in there and messing up your design. So you have to plan ahead as to what you're doing and when, so you can get your overlaps correct. And the easiest, it's a lot easier to come to this edge right here like this than it is to bring this color up, because you have such a short distance here. So always think ahead, always make sure your joints are well overlapped, so there's multiple layers on all your paint joints. That's the way I'm looking at it.